small, round, feathery little plant that grows everywhere during the springtime? You can blow it away with one breath and can also bloom into a yellow flower. It's the dandelion. Since it's such a common plant, most people don't give it the importance it deserves and don't even know that it's full of health benefits. Dandelion has vitamins A, C, E, K, and B complex vitamins, as well as minerals such as potassium, zinc, and iron, so it is great for our vision, skin, and hair growth. It regulates blood clotting, strengthens our neurological system and immunological activity, and provides us with a strong antioxidant action, which aids in any protein or sexual dysfunctions and bone health. Here's how it benefits your body. It's a diuretic. Dandelion tea is a potent diuretic and can help cleanse and detoxify our body. It increases the production of urine, causing any toxins to be eliminated through our pee. It's very good for people who suffer from fluid retention, tend to feel bloated, or want to lose weight. In this case, it's recommended that you drink 2 cups of dandelion tea every day. It helps the liver. A dandelion infusion can help detoxify the liver, since it prevents absorption and helps eliminate toxins that are a result of an excessive intake of sugar, alcohol, chemicals, and dyes. Its long-term consumption has shown protective effects on the liver. It helps detox, since it eliminates toxins from our body. It's recommended for people who have recurring health problems, such as high cholesterol, uric acid or gout, diabetes, or kidney stones. It improves our skin. Because of its antioxidant function, it fights free radicals and has a series of benefits, such as reducing the risk of cancer and preventing premature aging. It aids digestion. Dandelion acts as a gentle stimulant, strengthener, and laxative for our digestive system. When you eat foods that are high in fat, it can be beneficial to you to drink some dandelion tea. But be careful not to drink too much, since this can produce too much stomach acid. 1 cup a day is enough. If you want to make dandelion tea, only use the leaves and the root. Don't ever use the flowers. They make the tea have a bitter taste. You can use fresh leaves, freshly harvested and washed, or dried. Add 1 tablespoon of the leaves or roots to 1 cup boiled water. Let it brew for 8 to 10 minutes. Strain it, then drink it. It's important to note that when consumed in excess, the plant may have some side effects such as heartburn and diarrhea. It is also not recommended for people who suffer from hypertension, esophagitis, or hiatal hernia. During pregnancy, it should only be used under medical indication. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.